Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. As India is all set to celebrate its 75th Independence Day, there are some good news related to AK-203 deal, which was hanging around for a pretty long time. There has been a major breakthrough in this deal, which will not only benefit our army, but also our Central Reserve Police forces. The announcement had been made over an year ago for AK-203 manufacturing, but the negotiations were prolonged. After nearly a year of negotiation, India and Russia have finally agreed to the terms of manufacturing of AK-203 assault rifle. While the manufacture of AK-203 in India is seen as a triumph for indigenous production, however, it is not something we should rejoice about. It's a shame that even after 75 years of independence, we have taken help of a foreign country to develop an assault rifle. Under AK-203 deal, Indian Armed Forces are planning to fulfill the requirement of 6 lakh AK-203 rifles to be manufactured at the Amethi facility under the joint venture named Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited, established between Indian Ordnance Factory Board (OFB), Kalashnikov Concern, and Rosbon Export, which is the Russian state agency for military exports, having stake of 50.5%, 42%, and 7.5% respectively. The best part of this deal is that there will be a TOT or transfer of technology, and importantly, no royalty for weapons made will be paid to Russia. As we all know that previously Russia was asking for a heavy royalty of $200 per rifle, which will be close to $120 million for 6 lakhs rifles to be produced in India. With no royalty, this deal is definitely good for India, as it will bring down the cost of each rifle by almost $200. One more important thing to note about this deal is that AK-203, which is being projected, or the pictures of AK-203 being circulated, is not the same which is going to be manufactured. Many advanced features such as Picatinny rail over handguard, adjustable butt stock, and a better fire selector is not present in the Indian AK-203 version, which means Russia is selling AK-103M, an older version of AK series rifle, in the name of AK-203. However, it will still be a better option than a less lethal NSAS rounds. However, we would have been much happier if Indian Army would have involved private companies like SSS Defense with limited number of AK-203 to be produced. Looking at the poor quality of OFB guns and the clever games of Russia selling its old products to our army, India should promote and push private players in this small arms manufacturing. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.